today we are here in the backyard demonstration garden to take a look at another raised bed design. And as we know, all the different raised beds offer different options to the gardener. So today we're looking at one that does include featuring repurposing of tires. And to talk to us about the construction of this bunker design raised bed is Steve Upson with the Noble Research Institute. Steve, thank you for joining us again. So tell us a little bit about this bunker design.
Okay, the bunk bed is a relatively new creation, and it utilizes semi-truck tires.
Okay, they look a little larger than regular.
Yeah, they are. They are. We've chosen a style or a type of tire that is readily available and common in the industry. So these are available at truck stops, at tire repair stores. Information about that, of course, is in the construction manual, the type that you need to ascertain or just pick up, basically.
But obviously you need two that are identical or same size anyway.
Yeah, you want uniformity, yes. So the tires serve as the support for the frame. Okay. And we support the tires with posts.
All right.
We've got 2 posts on each end.
So those kind of prevent this round wheel from rolling anywhere, huh?
Right, and keep it from falling in until we get the sides constructed using 2x4.
Okay, so talk a little bit about the construction. It looks like we've got some wood disc. Is that wood that's on the inside
wood.
of
It
there?
could be plastic if you have access to some plastic materials. But obviously the wood is more prevalent. We use, I think, 3/8 inch, a little thicker. Okay. And that just keeps the soil within the frame.
Okay. And then you've just used regular 2x4s, it looks like, on the outside?
They are treated. In this case, they're stained.
Okay.
And they're attached to the rubber, to the tires, using deck screws.
So no other supports on the inside then, other than attaching them to. It looks like it's painted on the inside. Do you seal the inside or coat it with anything?
We do that. To protect the wood, we'll put some Flex Seal, or maybe some people use a truck liner, you know. And but you want to make sure put 2 coats on and make sure it's dry before you add the soil.
Pretty straightforward, it sounds like, as far as, and tell us a little bit, we've got an addition to it though, because of this nice semicircle top to it.
That's a nice surprise. You know, when we started using the tires, we realized that we could use the natural shape of the tire to support a small tunnel, hoop house, if you will. And so we just added a few receptacles for the hoops, and we're in business. Now this is greenhouse quality plastic film. You could use construction grade if you'd like, but this will last a little longer. And then we have 2 sections to give us a little bit more flexibility. You could just have 1 piece of plastic, but this gives you a little bit more flexibility.
So you could open it just partially in the center if you wanted to vent it. If
we have the wind from, in this case, the north, we could just use this part, leave this open, and then it just rolls down, as you can see. Okay. It's pretty cool.
So not only does that help kind of create season extension, right? But you could use that for possible pest control as well on some of your squash and stuff.
Yeah, and you just put some screening or some mesh material, some floating row cover.
All right. Well, thank you, Steve, for sharing with us about the bunk bed. And for more information on how to construct one for your home garden, check out our website. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.